Okay, y'all, got a little tip for you today. So who else hates to clean lampshades? Yes, I do too. But I have got something to show you. It's going to make this job so much easier and quicker that you're going to want to go through the whole house cleaning lampshades. So let's hop to it. I've already cleaned this side of it because I honestly didn't even think about this until I got to cleaning. But so the trick to cleaning lampshades very quickly and thoroughly is just to get an old paintbrush. That's all you need is an old paintbrush and a lint roller. You just want to go around the whole lampshade with your paintbrush first. But you gotta hold your lampshade with one hand, and since I'm holding the phone in my other hand, I can't hold my lampshade. So hold on just a second. So you just want to go around the lamp, go down, and then go back and forth. And then once you do that all the way around the lamp, knocking off most of the excess, just get you a lint roller and roll around it, and voila, you'll be looking brand new again. And that's all there is to it. I still got to go around this one with the lint roller, but everybody knows what a lint roller is, right? So that's it. Just short, sweet, and simple. Quick tip for you today: paintbrush and a lint roller. Go down first, downward strokes with the paintbrush, sideways strokes with the paintbrush, until you get most of the, most of it will come off with this paintbrush right here. And then take your lint roller, which I don't have handy. I got to get up and go get it. So you won't see it on the video, but everybody knows what a lint roller is. Go get your lint roller and roll around this with the lint roller to get the rest of, like the little bitty fuzz balls like that the paintbrush left behind. Your lint roller will get all the rest of that off, and then you will have a brand new looking lampshade again. And it's really, really that simple. That's all there is to it. All there is. Quick, like less than maybe 2 minutes, you'll have a clean lampshade. So if you enjoyed this little tip, make sure that you like the video, share the video for me, please, and tag a few friends that hate cleaning lampshades, because I bet they'll love to clean them after this video when they see how simple it really is. So I'm going to go now because I got a few more lampshades to clean. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching.